In this video, I will show you how to set up your Portronics My Buddy D table. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the product. Inside the box of My Buddy D table, you will find a tabletop, a set of small screws, a set of big screws for chassis and the legs, a spanner for tightening the wheels, an Allen key for the screws, adjusting screws for height adjustment, a set of 4 screw washers, a set of 4 wheels, the table leg and chassis. Now let's set up the table. Step 1. Attach the legs of the table to the chassis using big screws. Insert the big screws into the marked holes and tighten them with the Allen key. Once the screws are firmly secured, the lower frame of the table is ready. Step 2. Now fix the wheels to the bottom of the table legs. Don't forget to insert a washer before attaching each wheel. Use the spanner to firmly tighten all 4 wheels. These wheels will make your table mobile and easy to move around. Step 3. Take the L-shaped support bracket and place them above the holes on the underside of the tabletop. Secure them using small screws and tighten them with Allen key. Repeat the same process for the second bracket. Once done, the tabletop and the lower frame are both ready to be connected. Step 4. Finally, connect the tabletop to the frame by inserting the legs into the chassis. Using the adjusting screws to secure everything firmly in place, and adjust the table height as needed. And that's it. Your Portronics My Buddy D table is now fully assembled and ready to use.